Hi, I'm Billy McQueer. I'm Assistant Professor of Computing and Programme Director here at the University of Stirling, Russell campus. Let's embark on my world of computing. So from the early days of project management and then system engineering, I've always been passionate about emerging technology and education. Our courses here at the University of Stirling, Russell are designed to foster and bring on the next generation of ethical hackers, coders, creative content designers, and we're really into emerging technologies like Internet of Things and digital twin. So we focus on a practical learning approach, equipping students with hands-on experience to solve real-world problems using cutting-edge technology. So join us here at the University of Stirling Russell campus, and let's start our journey in computing together. Let us innovate and inspire each other. Welcome to the computing community here at Russell.